Hi everyone, it is a pleasure to be here today to share an amazing interview I recently did. Our conversation was about one of the most essential topics for any workplace leadership. In this interview, Gabriela will show us some of her experience and opinions on leadership, communication, conflict management, and motivation. During our conversation, I was impressed with the way Gabriela balanced the multiple responsibilities in her life and at the same time plays such an important role in her work environment. I interviewed Gabriela Mendonça, who is 26 years old and has so many responsibilities. She is an incredible woman. She was a mother early, and even then, she decided that she would continue her career. She is a supervisor at a company here in Toronto called Sun Services. We will explore her unique perspective on leadership, communication, conflict management, and motivation. Let's start by examining the questions that Gabriela was asked during an interview. The first question was, what does leadership mean to you? Gabriela has a cool idea about leadership. She thinks it's important to inspire people to improve and adapt to change. She said that knowing how to communicate well, to be organized, and make decisions is super important for her, who is a supervisor. Another question is, would you describe your leadership style? Gabriela said that her way of leading is focused. She enjoys helping her team improve by giving advice and sharing tasks. And she also likes to speak openly with everyone and make clear decisions. Move on to another question. The question is, what strengths do you believe you have as a leader? And what are your weaknesses? Gabriela said that she is good at helping, taking to others, and organizing things, but she also said that sometimes she gives employees too many chances. Even when things are thorough, and she's so flexible. How important is communication, Gabriela, for you? Gabriela said that communication is very important. She said that when she's a boss, it is essential to explain works, to explain rules very well and resolve employees' issues. She thinks that it's a good to speak clearly so everyone know what to do. Moving to the last question that we asked, what advice would you give for building relationships and trust in an organization? According to Gabriela, it is good to have clear rules. So, how do you handle conflicts with a team? Gabriela explained that when there is a fight, she talks to each person, listens to what they have to say, and reminds everyone of the rules. She said it is so important not to take it personally and try to see things in an unbiased way. So, these talks are related to what we learned through the course. And we can say that effective communication, setting expectations, and resolving conflicts are very important aspects of leadership. Gabriela's leadership style focuses on communication and collaboration, reinforce what we learned in class. Now, I'm going to relate what we have seen to my own leadership experiences. From Gabriella's point of view, I understand that leadership is inspiring and guide others continuous improvement. I agree with her. And clear communication and rules are really important for building relationships and trust. So, these talks are related to what we learned through the course. And we can say that effective communication, setting expectation, and resolving conflicts are very important aspects of leadership. Gabriella's leadership style focuses on communication and collaboration, reinforce what we learned in class. Finally, the interview with Gabriella was essential to highlight the value of inspired leadership, transparent communication, and conflict management. If we apply these concepts to our own experience, we can build strong, move effectively, and be more confident, and to make teams more confident as well. And so we end our presentation on the interview with Gabriela Mendonça, and thank you so much for your attention, and I hope this information is valuable to you as it was to me. Thank you very much.